Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to set up Google OAuth in N8N. First, go to the N8N website and make sure you log it in. Then click on the Add First Step button. Now search for HTTP and click on HTTP request from the list. Here, select the HTTP method you want to use like GET, POST, DELETE or HEAD depending on your requirement. Next, enter the URL where the request will be sent, for example your Google API endpoint. Then, under Authentication, choose from None, Predefined Credential Type or Generic Credential Type depending on how you want to handle OAuth. Now, select the credential type. You'll find a list including options like Action Network API, Active Campaign API, and others. Then, for something like Action Network API, click on Select Credential and then click on Create New Credential. Here, enter the required values, usually the API key, but for Google OAuth, you will need to enter your client ID, client secret, and specify the OAuth scopes as required by Google. After entering all the necessary information, click on Save. Now, turn on the toggle on or off for send query parameters, send headers, and send body depending on what your API call needs. Once everything is configured, go back and review your workflow, then click on Execute Node to test if the Google OAuth setup is working properly in N8N. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.